Hello students, now we are going to solve question number 3 of 14.3 and the question is, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. क्वेश्चन समझ में आ रहा है? पॉलिसी जो दिया गया वो किस एज ग्रुप के बीच में दिया गया? 18 से 60, ठीक है. एंड वी हैव गिवन एजेस इन ईयर्स इन द क्वेश्चन, बिलो 20, बिलो 25, बिलो 30, बिलो 35. एंड सी वन थिंग, दिस अब अभी आप सोच रहे हो कि ये जो है ये फ्रीक्वेंसी है. इट इज नॉट फ्रीक्वेंसी. फ्रीक्वेंसी ज़्यादा कम लेस लो हो सकता है, लेकिन क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी जो होता है दैट विल बी इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. जब भी आपको कॉलम में असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में डेटाज मिलते हैं, दैट मीन्स दैट कॉलम विल बी द क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कॉलम. क्लियर? It is cumulative frequency column. That means we will have to make another table in which age group will be given, age group, that is class interval will be given, and frequency also we will find. Clear? Because in the formula of to find median we will have cumulative frequency and frequency also. So let's make another table. It is another table. We will write age in years. Here first below 20, then 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, below 30. Below 35 means 30 to 35, then 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55 and 55 to 60. That's all, below 60. Now here frequency, and here we have given cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency are given 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. सी क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होता है? ये नंबर जो आया, नेक्स्ट नंबर, ये नंबर इसके सारे ऊपर के फ्रीक्वेंसीज का सम है. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे 2. अभी मैंने क्या बोला था कि ये जो नंबर होता है क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में, जो सेकंड नंबर आता है, ये नंबर कैसे आता है? सभी फ्रीक्वेंसीज का सम. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे 2 + 2 दैट इज 4, या आप ये बोल सकते हो कि 6 - 2 दैट इज 4, क्योंकि 6, हाउ 6 कम्स, दिस 6 कम्स, वी विल ऐड 2 to something which gives 6. 2 + 4 it is 6, or we can say 6 - 2 is 4. Now here 6 plus something is equal to 24. That means we can say 24 - 6 is equal to 18. So 6 + 18 is equal to 24. Clear? Now 24 plus something is equal to 45. That means 45 - 24 is equal to 21. 21. 24 plus 21 is equal to 45. Now 78 minus 45, that is 33. 33. 33 plus 45 is equal to 78. Now 89 minus 78. 89 minus 78, that is 11. 92 minus 89, 89, then 3, then 98 minus 92, that is 6, then 100 minus 98, that is 2. Clear? So in this way we can differentiate frequency and cumulative frequency. See, in the frequency column, numbers are not in ascending order or descending order, but in cumulative frequency table column, all the numbers are in ascending order. Clear? Numbers are arranged in ascending order. Now here what we have to find? We have to find the median. Okay, so here n is equal to 100. This implies n upon 2 is equal to 50. Now n upon 2 is 50. This implies in the, अभी देखो, अभी क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कॉलम में हम क्या देखेंगे? द नंबर विच इज मोर देन 50 बट नियरेस्ट टू 50. मोर देन 50 क्या है? 78, एंड also 89, 92, 98, 100, all the numbers are more than 50, but nearest number is 78. So our median class, this implies median class is 35 to 40. 35 to 40. Then lower limit is equal to 35. Frequency is equal to, frequency is 33. Then cumulative frequency CF is equal to 45 and H is equal to 5. Therefore median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F whole into H. So L, that is 35 plus n upon 2, that is 50, minus CF, that is 45 upon F 33 into H 5. Got it? Now 35 plus 45 upon 33 into 5, that is 35 plus 25 upon 33. 35 plus 25 upon 33. Now after solving this, 35 plus 0.76 is equal to 35.76 is the median age. So in this way we will do, or we will find the median. Note it down.